Babe, you want go shopping?
Later, no?
Later, store I go close. Alright then, Jimmy D keys make me drive myself.
Drive, no, sir.
Please, mommy, promise me I go careful.
No.
Babe, me license 2 months now already.
Me can manage.
No, sir. Me try and sleep in a peace and no say upon the road with me car.
Me can manage.
Too late. Me gone.
Kesha!
Relax, man.
All right. Listen to me carefully.
See there now. Me tell you, say me good.
Take your time in my car. Look before you turn. Use your indicator. Watch the taxi them.
You are talk to me like me no have no sense. Of course me no feel look before me turned.
I'm covered, I'm chosen, even when my heart feels broken. He held me when I was
Oh, what make Lexi she a stretch her hand at tap a can and no taxi this.
I'm not living Tom Jones.
Devon must give her driving, yeah. You wait till me go home.
Me I go ask him if he ma pick up girl.
Move from here so I no rush me, idiot. I want uno feel like uno go run me off of this. I want uno feel like. Me still I wonder why me she did a tap the car, man. Seriously, I what the problem? Me can't believe it still. Like she a look man, a car man she wants. Him always a go on like him special. But me don't tell him, go on way. Him no listen, idiot boy.
Kesha, what happened to me car?
It no that bad.
Not bad. The bumper upon life support.
Kesha, what happened to me car?
At least me carry it home and not people carry me home. See the key, I'm tired bad now. Me ready to go sleep.